In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download as CSV in Asana. We'll walk through exporting your Asana project into a clean CSV file you can open in tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or most data apps. I'll keep it simple, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make sure you get exactly the data you need. Start by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to sign in. If your organization uses Google SSO, this is the quickest way to get in securely. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, then open the specific project you want to export. You can find it from the left sidebar or by using the search bar if you have a lot of projects. With the project open, look near the top of the page for the drop-down arrow next to the project's name. That's the Actions menu. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Export or Sync. This opens the export controls for your project. Here, you'll first be asked what you want to export. Choose whether you want to export project tasks or time entries. Tasks will give you rows for each task with details like assignee, due date, and status. Time entries will focus on recorded time, which is perfect for reporting and invoicing if your team tracks time inside Asana. Next, pick the file format. Select CSV if you want a widely compatible, lightweight file for spreadsheets and data tools. Choose XLSX if you prefer an Excel-ready file with native formatting. Both will contain the same information. CSV is typically best for importing into other systems or Google Sheets. You'll then see options to include custom fields. These are the additional fields you or your team created, like priority, effort, cost, or anything specific to your workflow. Select the ones you want to appear as columns in the export. If you don't need a field in your analysis, feel free to leave it unchecked to keep your file tidy. When everything looks right, click Export. Asana will prepare your file. For smaller projects, your download should begin immediately and land in your default downloads folder. For larger projects, it may take a moment. If your organization has strict permissions, make sure you have access to view all tasks. Otherwise, your export will only include what you can see. Also, keep in mind that filters applied in your current view can affect what's exported. That's it. You've successfully exported your Asana project as a CSV. Open it in your favorite tool and start analyzing, sharing, or archiving your data with confidence.